Hiya. So I went down a rabbit hole looking for the best free brass instruments you can get at the moment, and I've come up with my top 5 you might want to download. These are genuinely orchestral cinematic sounding libraries that you can layer together to create really realistic effects. And this video is going to save you downloading 47 gigabytes of disappointment. I've done a separate video about free string libraries that you might want to check out as well, but for now let's dive into the brass. Okay, so first up is BBC SO from Spitfire Audio. I'll put all the links in the description down below so you can get straight to these pages and start downloading. And as you can see, this is free. It is really well recorded, and as you can see, we get an entire orchestra, so there's not really a reason not to get this to start with, but it is really good quality. We've got separate horns, trumpets, bass trombones, tenor trombones and tubas, so we can layer the different parts as you would an orchestral score. Now this means that it can involve a little bit more work to get a full brass sound, but the reason I included it is because it's got its own player. You don't have to have contact, for example, to be able to get a sound out of it. So let's see what that sounds like. So there's quite a nice little bit of reverb going on there, and it sounds quite big because it was recorded in Air Studios. Nice big sound. Next we've got Instrument from Splice. So again, I'll share the link in the comments. And what you can do, again, this is not requiring contact. It's got its own plugin, and you can download all sorts of different instruments. I've just gone for the trumpet fields here. Let's see what they sound like. So this is a much more intimate instrument, and again, you can go and find different ones to layer together, or also mix them perhaps with another brass library and use this as the softer undertone perhaps. Thirdly, SonuScore, and we're going to use the Orchestra. Ignore the top one, scroll down a little bit and you'll find the Orchestra elements. Click on that and it is a free download, and that sounds like this. So this is great if you want an instant out-of-the-box cinematic sound without messing around with all of that layering stuff that you might do with something like BBC SO Discover. Okay, then we've got Blueprint Gentle Brass from Fracture Sounds. This will run in the free contact player, so not too much to worry about there. If we look at the plugin, you'll see that we don't have a massive number of controls, and I've left it as the default so we can just compare out of the box what it sounds like, which is something like this. So it's naturally quieter and, as the name suggests, gentle brass. So if you are looking to layer multiple, more like a quiet big band or a colliery band, that might be a good option for you. And fifth and finally, free Orchestra 2 from Project Sam. Again, free download, it runs in contact and sounds like this. Again, loads of different sounds you can explore with and different settings. Again, with all of these, it's worth bearing in mind that yes, they might be free and they're sort of enticing you to buy the next upgrade, but by all means, these are pretty good out-of-the-box brass sounds for you to include in your score now. And here's a bonus trip. Free brass libraries sound 10 times better when you layer them together. So have a listen to this. Instantly more expensive. Okay, That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.